I am Naveen Krishna. I am the founder and managing director of SMV Wheels Private Limited, based at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, India. Basically, I belong to a middle class family and a high class caste society in Varanasi, and my father is a public servant. So he gave me a good education, and then I was recruited by the CAPART, which is the Ministry of Rural Development, and I was posted in the Northeast India, and there I come to in conversation with this cycle rickshaw pullers community. From my childhood, I have seen these people in Varanasi, and I knew that the sweat and drudgery they are going through, the pain of the occupation, but I never got a chance to interact so much closely with them. The chance I got it while I was doing my job, and from my home to office, which was 3 kilometers, I used to ride on a cycle rickshaw. So casually I asked that person, how much you earn and where you get the rickshaw. So he started telling me about himself, and I was amazed after the conversation. I come to learn that he is paying 40 rupees per day from last 20 years, and he is not even an owner of a single cycle rickshaw, and he was renting it from the fleet merchant. The cost of the cycle rickshaw is only 10,000 rupees that time, and he has paid more than 20 times of the cost of one vehicle to the fleet merchant, and in spite of putting such a hard work and physical effort in the occupation. And so I decided to start this work in 2010. I left my job and I come back to Varanasi, where I was not very much accepted by my family, because it was a well paid secure job which I have left. My father, he was the first person to oppose me. He was in the opinion that he has invested good amount of money to secure my career, and now I leave the job and come to work with the low caste people. So I understood his point of view, but for me this cause was much more of greater importance than the dignity or the fame which was here in the family. And so I went to the slums. I spent 6 months with these people in the slums, just learning about their lifestyle, how they live, what kind of expenses they have, what kind of health issues they have, what kind of mindset actually, that kind of pressure and that kind of environment, what kind of pressure it brings to the person at the end of the day, how he behaves in a family, what kind of food he is having, what are his other entertainment options. So with that idea in mind, we developed a very simple model. The model was such that to convert these daily rentals into weekly installments, and within a year time give them the ownership of their cycle rickshaw. Apart from that, giving the ownership was not enough for this community, in my opinion. So we also wanted to develop an ecosystem around the community. So giving them insurance, giving them legal licenses, which is very hard for a single cycle rickshaw puller to go to the municipal office and get it without paying a bribe to the municipal bodies. So if you see, it's a simple model here. The people have to pay 300 rupees for 52 weeks to become the owner of the rickshaw. Plus, we also sell advertisements on the back side of the rickshaw to the local businesses, from where we earn extra revenue, which serves as a cushion for our investments and also additional income to the cycle rickshaw puller. Even after they become the owner, the two streams of revenue continues with us. One is the insurance and other is the advertising revenue, which is coming to both of us. So that way we started with 3 rickshaws in 2010, and now in operationally more than 3.5 years, we have crossed 3,500 people in 2 states of India, which are Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand.
तो हम पहले रिक्शा किराए का चलाते थे। जब कंपनी से लिए 2012 में, तो इसको लिए तो चलाते चलाते किस्त भरे मालिक हो गए। उसके बाद 2013 में भी रिक्शा लिए, उसको भी चलाए, साल भर भरे, उसके बाद भी हम मालिक हो गए। 2014 में लिए, उसको भी चलाए, मालिक हो गए। 2015 में लिए, 2015 में रिक्शा लिए हैं, अभी चला रहे हैं, इसका पैसा भर रहे हैं।
In our business, we have a very measurable social impact. So it's very countable on fingers. So the number of people who have become the owner of their cycle rickshaw. Second, the number of people whose lives have been insured and have got the legal licenses, which also serves as a legal identity to them in the society. Third, the increase in income. the bank linkage which we have made, the savings account which we have opened, the amount of savings saved from the day he has signed in with the organization till the day he graduated can be measured. And we basically were working on two goals. One was to give them credibility to the banks so that they can be financially included. We were successfully with the SMB Wheels model. Now, second goal is to reduce the drudgery and the sweat of this occupation. For that, we are working on the solar and the battery cycle rickshaw, because we don't believe in the manual labor and this human beast of burden. We want to turn them into dignified entrepreneurs, and that can be only done when that sweat and drudgery of this occupation can be eliminated.